Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all to AppSec online support program. Let's have a quick recap of the previously studied chapter number 6, Computer Security and Ethics. You have studied computer security and its importance, cybercrime, hacker and cracker, malware and its types, symptoms of malware infected computers, authentication and authorization access, authentication methodologies and multimodal authentication, computer ethics, ethical use of computer, and areas of computer ethics. Today we are going to study chapter number 3, Office Automation, page number 64 to 76. Lesson objective is that students shall be able to understand the concept of office automation, installation, and managing MS Word file. General success criteria is completion of assigned written work independently, present written work in clear and legible handwriting, avoid overwriting and spelling mistakes, and perform the practical within the given time. Let's have a quick overview of today's lecture. We are going to cover office automation, the concept and its installation, word processing, opening a document and introduction to the interface, managing a document by creating, saving and printing it, text insertion and editing. Office automation. OAS or Office Automation System is referred to as modern technology used to create, store, process and communicate information for accomplishing basic tasks performed in offices. The software used for office automation consists of word processing, spreadsheets, database management, presentation, graphics, electronic mails, and video conferencing software. Office automation software helps us in improving productivity and saving money and human efforts. The most commonly used office automation software is Microsoft Office. It consists of MS Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint, and Outlook. The first version was announced on 1st August 1988 by Bill Gates. In your book, they have mentioned Microsoft Office 2016 released on 22nd September 2015, but we have the MS Office 2019 as well. Some of other office automation software are Apache OpenOffice, Library Office, and New Office. All these are based on OpenOffice file suites. These can be freely downloaded and installed on Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems. Here are some advantages of office automation system, like reduced involvement in clerical work, fast and accurate storage, reduce the storage space, improve communication within enterprise, less workforce for large volumes of data, introduction of latest features according to user requirements, increased productivity and efficient use of time, no need to purchase too many software. Here are some latest video links regarding the installation of office automation given. Do you know that Microsoft Office 2010 cannot be installed on Windows XP. So now let's discuss word processing software in which we can create, edit, save and print our document. But there are many more features worth discussing. A word processor is an application software used to create, edit, format, save, and print a document. We can create multiple types of documents such as letters, reports, resumes, newsletters, memos, flyers, and etc. Here are some advantages of word processing software. It has increased the productivity and efficiency of the work. Due to its distinct features, we can easily create backups and the files are easy to transfer over the internet. A word processing software has the ability to format and edit the text. Formatting refers to the change in appearance and layout of the text in a document. It has three types: text formatting, paragraph formatting, and page formatting. Whereas editing refers to correcting the typographical errors, grammatical errors, and spelling mistakes. Some other features are displaying the text in different font styles and sizes, underline, bold, and italicize the text, display text, graphics, and changing their alignments, setting tabs, correcting spelling and grammatical mistakes, inserting bullets, numbering or borders, inserting headers and footers, inserting tables, graphical images, inserting word art, and having wizard that helps you step by step. So let's compare a word processing software with the typewriter. In word processing software, you can edit, format, save, print, and transfer your files over the internet. Further, you have the facility of spell checker and thesaurus, whereas in a typewriter you cannot check your typed text until it is complete. You cannot edit, format, or save the text in a document. Further, you don't have the ability to add images in it, spell checking, and thesaurus. Now let's get familiarized with the MS Word interface. Look at the diagram very carefully. Here you can see the quick access toolbar, ribbon tabs, title bar, window controls, help button, ruler button, vertical scroll bar, browse buttons, zoom tools, view buttons, status bar, text area, document information, vertical ruler, and tab selector. Now let's discuss each one in detail. The main component of Word window consists of quick access toolbar, ribbon, scroll bars, and status bar. A quick access toolbar is located at the top left corner of the Word window. It has the most commonly used commands like save, undo, and redo. A ribbon is located below the title bar of the Word window. Ribbon consists of many groups of commands. There are 9 types of tabs in a ribbon, which are File, Home, Insert, references, mailing, review, view, and add-ins. Scroll bars. A vertical scroll bar is located at the right edge of the document, used to scroll your document up and down, whereas the vertical scroll bar is used to move your document from left to right and right to left. A status bar is located at the bottom of the document. It presents information about the document such as current page, total page numbers, number of words in the document, and on the page you are at. A title bar is located at the top of the screen. It is used to display the name of the current document. There are two types of rulers, horizontal ruler and vertical ruler. They are used to set tab stops, indent, or adjust the width of the columns. Further, they are used to change the page margins or place items on the page. Status bar displays the information about the document which is discussed earlier. At the very end of it, it has a zoom slider which is used to magnify the document. Negative means zoom out and plus means zoom in. There are view buttons on it as well, which change the presentation or appearance of the document. To open a Word document, go to the Start button, click on All Programs, click on MS Word, and your program will open. Here we will learn how to create, save, open, and print a Word document. Further, we will learn how to insert the text and edit it. We will learn the features of copy paste, cut paste, and deleting the text. inserting and editing the text. If you want to insert the text in a Word document, place the cursor where you want to insert the text and start typing. If you are typing a paragraph, there is no need to press enter after the end of each line because MS Word has the feature Word Wrap that facilitates us. When the text reaches at the end of the line, it brings the cursor to the start of new line. There are several shortcut keys. For example, to go to the beginning of the line, press Home. For end of line, press End. For top of the document, press Ctrl plus Home. And for the end of document, press Ctrl plus End. Here are some mouse commands for selecting items which you need to practice. Item to select, characters, single word, words, sentence, line, paragraph, entire document, block of text, and graphics. You need to practice these thoroughly. Here are some shortcut keys to ease out your work. Now let's quickly summarize our topic. We have learned the concept of office automation and its installation, got the know-how about opening a document and introduction to its interface, learned how to manage a document, and insertion and editing in a document. Things to do are: read page number 64 to 76 carefully and underline the important points in your book. Complete related exercise questions in your copy and perform the practical. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.